Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this specific unit or anything else we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, a 2020 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi 4-wheel drive crew cab. We sent this out to Rocky Ridge, had a 6-inch lift kit on it, upgraded tires and wheels, upgraded paint job, upgraded inside, which we'll go into when we get inside. And guys, keep in mind, all of our Rocky Ridge product we ship nationwide. So no matter where you're located in the country, we can literally put this vehicle in your driveway for you. No need to come to the dealership. We can do all the paperwork by mail and simply have the vehicle shipped directly to your house. Starting on the front, guys, we're going to notice here, this is a maroon truck. This was not a factory maroon truck. It was actually a black truck, and I'll get into that, and I'll show you that a little bit more on the side on why we did what we did. But starting off on the bottom of the bumper, all them little circles you're going to notice on the front bumper, those are for your front monitoring system. Very nice thing to have, especially on a truck like this that's beefy, up in the air a little bit. Definitely helps you when you're getting into them tight spots. Blacked out front grille where the Ram badging is. Upgraded rims. Rocky Ridge had this custom rim done here, which is absolutely an amazing rim. It's the 22-inch black rim. It does have little chrome, little bezels going throughout it. The Rocky Ridge logo there in the center. Definitely just a really cool rim. And it's wrapped in a 35-inch tire. That's a Toyo tire. Open country. It's got plenty of tread depth on there, but still there again, not too much where it's overbearing while driving down the road. Upgraded side fender flares. Rocky Ridge K2 badging, and what the K2 is actually the trim level from the conversion company that this particular truck is. And as you're going to notice, it does right above the door handle where it brakes, it does turn into a black truck, as you can see, and then it's black all the way up onto the roof. So it's more of a two-tone kind of a truck, definitely something different. We like to kind of step out of the box here when it comes to this kind of stuff and do different stuff. And this is definitely an awesome one-of-a-kind build. A nice step-up bar that I just kicked down right there. That helps you get in and out of the truck bed. When you're done, you simply just kick it up just like that, and it stows away. You don't even know it exists. Rear bumper is painted, and it also does have the little circles on the bottom there. That is for the rear monitoring system that runs all the way in the back. Tow haul, and also your 4 and 7-pin wiring hookup back there. Blacked out dual exhaust. This vehicle does have a spray-in bed liner, as you can see. Guys, this vehicle comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. It also comes with extended coverage on the powertrain. And the wonderful thing about this lifted truck in particular, and this company, Rocky Ridge, is they do mirror the factory warranty on all their upgraded components that they put on this vehicle. So if something would happen to anything that would have been covered by a by the manufacturer Ram, and it's been upgraded by SCA or Rocky Ridge, I'm sorry, they will take care of it for you. It totally mirrors the factory warranty, so no need to worry about voiding your factory warranty. They're one of the very few conversion companies in this country that actually are recognized by Chrysler in general when it comes to their upfits. Rubber floor mats with the Ram logo built right into it, as you can see. It does have memory seating for up to 2 people. Power side mirrors with power folding side mirrors, power windows and power locks. Power seat with the 4-way power lumbar. Power foot pedestals, so you can make them come closer to the seat if you'd like for short people, which is a nice feature to have. Automatic overhead headlighting. Leather seating. And the upgraded RR, which stands for Rocky Ridge, in the back of the headrest and the front driver and passenger. Starting off on the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have all these buttons right here. They're going to operate your instrument cluster here in the center of the dash. Also, you have capability of Bluetoothing your phone directly into this vehicle, so you can literally just hit the green phone button and carry on the conversation right through your speaker system instead of reaching for your cell phone. Cruise control on the right, and all your audio controls for the radio on the back of the steering wheel. Push button start, remote start also with this particular vehicle. Push button 4-wheel drive. There is a 4-wheel drive auto, high and low. By putting the vehicle in reverse, you can see you do have your factory backup camera built right into your 12-inch touchscreen radio, which is very nice. It has AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. Comes with a free subscription when purchasing this vehicle brand new. It also does have heated seats and ventilated seats with 3 settings, a high, medium, and a low. And it also has a heated steering wheel. Dual climate controls on this, so you can set the passenger on a different temperature than the driver if you'd like, or you can sync them together. A bunch of Uconnect apps that are built into this radio, and there's also navigation, factory navigation, and keep that in mind also. This vehicle does have a lot of storage in it, as you can see down there. It's got an AC plug down there, which is nice. Cup holders, a small little cubby hole there for knickknacks, and then a small little cubby hole here in the back, and that's under your armrest, or the leather wrapped armrest, and a large one underneath there. So plenty of storage throughout this entire truck. And what I'm doing here is putting back the cover for this huge sunroof. It goes from all the way to the front, all the way to the back. Very, very cool feature. And if you're not using it and you want to keep it shut, keep the sun out, you simply just push the button and it comes all the way forward. This vehicle also does have universal garage door openers located right here. Up to 3 garage door openers can be programmed in at one time. Back also has the rubber floor mat throughout. Very easy to keep clean. AC plug, USB plugs there for your back passengers, and it also does have seating for 3, as you can see here, and also does have child safety hooks built on into this rear bench, so you can safely and securely carry them car seats. Another nice feature, guys, is this power running board. As you can see here, it comes down when any of the doors are open on the driver or the passenger side. That's an Amp Research board, which is the top of the line board company in the country. As far as I'm concerned, when you simply shut it, the door like that, it'll go up automatically. It kind of stows away nice. I don't even really know it even exists right there, which is a nice feature. So when you open the door, it comes down automatically. Guys, this vehicle is located at Sherry, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. Keep in mind, guys, we ship all of our Rocky Ridge product nationwide. So no matter where you're located in the country, we can literally put this truck in your driveway for you. If you want to look at all the still pictures of the specific units or anything else we have on our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Also, if you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. That way you're assured you see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today, as soon as they hit the lot. And like always, for all the guaranteed best price on any Rocky Ridge product nationwide, we are the largest nationwide dealer. Make sure you always shop Sherry, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram.